Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to on this Imperial TV. This is an Imperial TV. You can see the remote here, the Imperial branding. It's also on the front of the TV. Alright, so this is a Google TV. Alright, so if you want to adjust the picture settings such as brightness, I'll show you how to set the brightness on this TV. Alright, so first thing, you're going to go to settings. And I'm in the settings menu here, so go to settings. Once you're here, you're going to search for picture or anything related to picture or display. As you can see here, it says display and sound. What I'm going to do is go select display and sound. Once you're in here, we're going to go to picture. Alright, so you have these options. There's picture mode. You can set it to normal if you want. You can see here there's normal, and of course normal is the default, so you can change the dynamic. If I select dynamic, it will change. If I select cinema, it will change. Sport, it will change accordingly. Game and custom would involve your own settings, so it gives you the options there just in case you want to modify them. But of course, if you just want to use normal, you can go ahead and select normal. It will load the predefinitions for normal. All right, so I'm going to come back out. As for picture as well, its TV is set to eco mode by default. Eco mode will save energy, but just in case, you can always select high eco mode or low, meaning low as in low energy savings or high energy savings. I'm assuming based on the settings here, but you can also turn it off. Do note as well, you can keep it on the default of high. You cannot select backlight once eco mode is on, so of course you can always go to advanced. Let me show you what the advanced here. You can mess with the color temperature, you can have dynamic contrast, which is automatic, and of course some of these settings that you cannot select, they are dependent on some of these, so you might have to turn off dynamic contrast to order to access some of these picture settings. You can do a picture reset, meaning you set them back to their default in case you messed up something and you're not sure what you changed. You can also go back to the default. All right, now in case you want to mess with or adjust the brightness, you'd have to adjust the eco mode. So in case you want to turn or adjust the brightness, go ahead and go here and turn off eco mode, which is the energy saving mode. Go back, and of course there you go, we can always adjust the brightness. Check out the TV set here. If you want to adjust the brightness, notice that as we are turning it down, the TV will get darker and darker. You can go all the way down to 0, meaning backlight is almost completely off, and of course we can go up and you can see the TV adjusting brightness each time. All right, and of course you can see here we're at 100, and of course once we're at 100, that would be the highest. Do note that the energy consumption will vary based on what you're doing, so adjust accordingly. And you can always turn back the eco mode onto the default of high. All right, so I'll end it tutorial here. Do hope this was useful. As always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips. Say bye until next time. Bye.